Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I will be walking you through how to change your name in Valorant. So for this, what I want you to do is go and open your browser and search for Riot Games. After that, click on the first link, and then sign into your Valorant account. After you have signed it in, right beside the search bar, you will there see your username. Tap on the username and then select settings. Here, select the game name and then change it as you like. After that, tap on save changes, and that's it. This is how you change your name in Valorant. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.